Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to which you can download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are two ways to which you can download GTA San Andreas on your PC. For the first method, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Download Official. After that, give it a go and a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. You just need to access the first website on the results list, and the official Rockstar website will open up. Inside it, sign into your Rockstar account and a web page will load. Here, scroll down a little bit, and you will be able to access the game description. In order to download it, click on the Buy Now button at the top left corner, and a new web page will load. The official Rockstar store will now be displayed on your screen. You just need to click on the Buy Now button again, and a new pop-up will appear. You will then need to sign into your Rockstar account, proceed with the payment, and then download the official game. Now, the second method involves using Steam. You just need to open the Steam application and make sure to sign into your account. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage where all of the recommended apps will be displayed. Now you just need to search for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas using the search bar at the top right corner. Once you do, all of the Grand Theft Auto games will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game tile and make sure to verify your age. After that, you will be able to get an overview of the whole game and also its description. Note that this is the trilogy version, and it has all of the 3 definitive editions of Grand Theft Auto: 3, Vice City, and San Andreas. As this is the definitive edition, you may need to take a look at the game's requirements and make sure your PC meets them. Once you are done with it, scroll upwards and then click on the Add to Cart button. A new pop-up will now appear. Simply click on the View My Cart button and your account cart will open up. Here, click on the Continue to Payment button at the right side to continue with the order. Now choose the payment method from the drop-down menu and click on Continue. After that, click on the Continue button again, and a new pop-up will appear prompting you to sign into your PayPal account. After you are done with it, continue with the payment and download the official game. So that's basically how you can download GTA San Andreas. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.